Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vibin. So I have come across a lot of people who are having difficulty in English, who don't speak that kind of fluent or smooth English, and they want to do that. A lot of people understand English very well and also try to speak it to an extent, but some of the other aspect they lack in their communication. Some of the other aspect they are having a pullback in their communication. There are a number of reasons for this. One of the reason can be you don't have that kind of practice where you use English in your daily life. You don't have that kind of work or that kind of curriculum where you need to speak in English in each and every day of your life. So you leave the touch of the English, so you don't have that kind of bonding with this language. So whenever the occasion comes when you need to speak in English, you may run out of words or you may not be that confident or that fluent which you need to be. The second and the most important reason of people not being able to speak in fluent English or being able to cope up with English is they are not from that kind of educational background where they had English as their major language. Most of the local medium students who don't have English as a language or English as their major language do lack in English because they don't have that kind of practice, they don't have that kind of educational background where they use English in each and every subject and each and every day of their educational life. So this is a pretty common thing, but I have few tricks, few tips which can help you to improve your communication, to be more confident, to be more fluent, to be more smooth in your communication. So guys, first thing first, I'm not a master in English, I'm not an English guru, I'm not qualified enough to teach English, but again, these are few simple steps that I have been inculcating in my life, that I've been using in my day-to-day life, which help me to improve my language, to improve my communication, to get over the difficulties I have been facing in English. So I'm pretty sure if you stick around the video, it will definitely help you to grow. So guys, the points I'm going to tell you, the steps I'm going to tell you, these are really basic steps, these are really basic points which you inculcate in your life. It would definitely help you to grow. It would definitely help your communication to be better than what it is currently. So guys, the first and the very basic thing that you need to do is read newspapers, read magazines, read whatever you like, whatever subject you like on this topic. It can be any novel, it can be any subject, but it should be in English. That is the main point. So personally, I'm not a person who reads a lot or who loves reading, but again, it was something that I had to do to come up with my shortcoming, to come up with my gap in English. And I believe if you do that, even it would help you. Because once you start reading, you come around different sentences, different words you may haven't heard of, or you may haven't phrased those sentences earlier. But once you read, you get to know the sentence, you get familiar with the words, and whenever time comes, you can use it in your communication. So by reading, I don't mean you need to mug up everything or you need to remember each and everything you have read. You just need to get familiar with the language. You just need to have more and more things stuffed into your head. So it's very compulsory, very mandatory that you need to read more and more in order to get to the next step. So once you start reading, do it for at least a month, maybe half an hour, 1 hour. Whatever free time you get, try to use it for your benefit, try to use it for reading so that you can get more and more familiar with this language. So guys, the second thing that you need to do to improve your communication is pretty much easy than the first one, because in first one you need to take your efforts, you need to take your time, you need to manually read everything. But the second one is pretty much easy because here you just need to give your time, but the effort is taken by someone else. So what I'm trying to say is, second point is that you need to watch more and more English series. May it be American series, may it be UK series, may it be Indian series, but the series should be in English. May it be movies as well, but movies are pretty much more complex than series, because when they speak in movies they have different kind of accent and you may get confused, but when it's a series, the entire series has actually a specific concept and specific kind of communication which you will get familiar. It may take 2 to 3 episodes for you to exactly understand their way of communication, their way of talking, what exactly they mean by specific words, but eventually you will get used to it and you will actually gain a lot of knowledge. And this is the most easiest way of improving your communication, because here you don't need to put your extra effort. You just need to observe, you just need to see, you just need to listen. All the efforts, all the hard work is taken by your computer, your TV, your mobile, whatever it is. All you need to do is just take out some time from your life and just observe what is going on, what they are saying. You just need to understand it well and you just need to repeat it in your life as well. And this is the very basic thing that you can do, because currently our situation is helpful for us. Our situation, we can take it to our benefit, because lot of things are cut down from our life. May it be social life, may it be social gathering, may it be tours, trips. We are away from all these things because of current situation. So we have ample of time with us. So instead of just wasting it on some or other stuff, we can use it for our benefit, to improve our skill, to work on our skill, to work on ourselves, so that once everything is settled down, once life gets back to the pre-COVID stage, we can be a better person, we can be a better version of ourselves. So till now we have seen 2 points. First is reading, which is very important. Only then you can know about new words, new sentences. Your memory can remember that you have read it somewhere, you are familiar with this. And second one is series or movies. I would suggest you watch Indian movies or Indian series which are dubbed in English language. Reason being, the English used in this dubbed series, these movies which are Indian based, are very easy. They don't have those kind of typical Western accent, and it would be very much easy to understand for a beginner and very much easy to grasp. If you start off with an American or a UK series, it would be pretty much difficult for you to understand the slang, understand their exact communication, understand their exact accent. So it is totally preferable that you use Indian series, that you start with an Indian series. It would be completely beneficial for you. But still, if you are an intermediate person who understands English very well and you are okay with US or UK accent, you are just lacking in the communication phase, you can still use the US and UK series. It would be beneficial for you. But if you are someone new, if you are not that kind of familiar with these languages, then you can start off with an Indian series which is in English. I hope these 2 points are clear to you and you will practice on this well, and it would actually help you in your communication. The further points I would discuss to you in my next video. Till then, you can just practice these 2 points. You will see how well it goes. You can comment on if you have any queries or if you got any benefit from this. I'll see you in my next video with few more tips. Till then, take care. Goodbye.